Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can trade cards in Monopoly Go. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. So first of all, open up your Monopoly Go application on your mobile device and make sure your account is logged in. And after logging in, you will be redirected to the app's homepage. You can add friends by using the invite friend option in the friends section. In the albums tab, you can see there are many stickers available. You can also give the stickers which have a +1 icon on them. To trade a sticker, what you need to do, you would need a pair of the same sticker. After selecting the sticker with plus on it, simply tap on gift to a friend and a list of friends will appear in front of you. Just select a friend and tap on send. Now ask your friend to do the same thing and you are done. This is basically how you can trade cards in Monopoly Go. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.